This is right off our roof. Even with the downspout. I want to witness all of this. Oh, he's going to park out there. That'd be parking right up at the house. I don't think I've seen it rain any harder in Salt Lake in my lifetime. I'm going to get away from the rain gutter. I mean, you couldn't see through it anyway. This is August 3rd, 2023. Yesterday we had another downpour, and of course we had record snow during the winter. We prayed for rain and snow and got it. Holy cow! I can't believe this. There's supposed to be a Real game, and I don't know if they'll be able to play it with all this water. I'll have to squeegee the field. Oh my gosh! I cannot. I've never seen it rain so hard. There's going to be a lot of people flooded here.
We better check our basement.
Look at it just running down off the new driveway. The gutters are full all the way up to the parking strip, the front of the parking strip. This is intense. Kind of makes you feel like the Nephites when Christ came. That kind of a storm. Tempest, they call them. I think it might be on the tail end now. You can tell the roof is not as full.
It says it's still got 40 minutes.
Get what?
It says it's still got 40 minutes.
Oh, for the storm?